Welcome to Alqubit, where IT meets art. We are a boutique IT consultancy and advisory firm based in Milan, offering B2B IT services and marketing strategies to elevate your business. With over 25 years of experience, we excel in implementing robust IT solutions. Our services are designed to improve business agility and maximize the monetary returns of technology investments. Our core business values include integrity, value co-creation, and realistic, minimalist, efficient approach. We see technology as an expression of art, driving innovation and excellence. Our vision is built on 4 pillars: organize and prepare, research and develop, being and reaching goals. Each pillar encompasses specific principles that guide our strategic direction and operations. In the first pillar, we focus on vision, strategy, and methodology. These elements are crucial for laying a strong foundation and ensuring that our projects are well organized and prepared. The second pillar emphasizes research and development, leveraging our direction, expertise, and experience to innovate and create cutting-edge solutions tailored to our clients' needs. Our third pillar, being, involves self-awareness, feedback, and improvement. We strive for holistic drive and cohesion, ensuring resilience and continuous growth in our operations. Our fourth pillar, reaching goals, involves results, objectives, and reality. We aim for consistency and results of our endeavors by optimizing our solutions by setting realistic and reachable, measurable challenges with our holistic business offering for the growth and success of our clients. Thank you for exploring Alqubit's vision, principles, and values with us. We look forward to partnering with you to transform your IT and marketing strategies into works of art. Alqubit, IT as an expression of art. Thanks for watching.